Hi guys, today I want to share with you guys on how to make a YouTube channel in 2020 using phone. Let's do it. Okay, first you need to register Google. Go to sign in. Click use another account. Create account. Click next. Then you can put your phone number. After that, you need to enter your verification code. Click verify. Next, if you want to put your email, you can make it here. After that, you put your birthday date. After you finish, click next. You can click skip for this one. You can read this privacy term if you want. And click I agree. Then you have it, your Google account. Next, you go to this, your profile picture. Click this. Go to manage your account. If you want to change your picture, you can click over here. Set profile photo. You can take your picture or choose your photo from your phone. If you want to change your name, go over here. You can change your name here. Okay, next, I want to show you on how to upload a video. Click this icon. You can choose your video inside your phone, or you want to record your video. And as for go live option, this require you 1000 subscribers. So I will choose my video. I will click this video. You want to edit from here, you can cut your video. You can make like this. After you finish, you need to make your title, your description, and also if you want your location, you can make one. Next, after you finish all of this, you click this. So I will not be uploading my video. I already have one, so I did it. Okay, if you want to share your video through FB, WhatsApp, and etc., you can click this video. Okay, you click this share button. You can copy link and share throughout the social media. Next step, you need to have YouTube Studio. You can download YouTube Studio in Google Play Store. So let's go to YouTube Studio. Go back. Okay, you click this YouTube Studio. Okay, as you can see, through this YouTube Studio, you can see your subscriber from here. From my video, you can see I have 9 view. 9 view. Next. Okay, you can reply with others. You can love their comment from here. And the most important part is analytic. From here, you can analyze the real-time view. You can see your watch time. You can see people that watch your video, and also top country watch your video. Okay, that's it from me. Before I end this video, I want to give an advice as a YouTuber. Do not give up. Just do your best in making a good content and move forward. Thanks again for watching my video, and I see you next time.